Hello everyone, welcome to Educationity. Before I start the video lecture, I want to thank Google and YouTube for providing us an amazing platform to share our knowledge with a global audience. I would also want to express profound gratitude to my research supervisor, Dr. M. Rajendranath Babu, Associate Professor, Department of Education, Nagaland University, for giving me an opportunity to contribute to this platform. It is only possible with his help and encouragement. In the last video, we have tried to understand behavioristic perspective of human learning. In this video, I am going to discuss the meaning and significance of individual differences. Myself, Ms. Karishma Sonowal, Research Scholar, Department of Teacher Education, Nagaland University, Kohima Campus, Marima. We, in spite of belonging to a common species known as human beings, have our own individuality which contributes for the variance and differences found among ourselves. These differences in human beings quite distinctly differ in size, shape, appearance, speed of reaction, and innumerable other aspects of their personality makeup and behavior. These differences in human beings are referred to as individual differences. Definitions of individual differences. According to the Dictionary of Education by Carter B. Good, 1959, individual differences stand for the variation or deviations among individuals in regard to a single characteristic or a number of characteristics. Another definition is individual differences stand for those differences which in their totality distinguish one individual from another. The differences among individuals that distinguish or separate them from one another and make one as a unique individual may be termed as individual differences. Types of individual differences. Physical differences. Individuals differ in height, weight, color of skin, color of eyes and hair, size of hands and heads, arms, feet, mouth and nose, length of waistline, structure and functioning of internal organs, facial expression, mannerism of speech and walk, hairstyle and other such native or acquired physical characteristics. Next, the mental differences. People differ in intellectual abilities and capacities like reasoning and thinking, power of imagination, creative expression, concentration, etc. In the field of general intelligences, also we find tremendous differences between individuals. On the basis of these differences, they are usually classified as idiot, imbecile, moron, borderline, normal, bright, very superior, and genius. Next is differences in motor ability. There exists a wide difference in motor abilities such as reacting time, speed of action, steadiness, rate of muscular movement, manual dexterity, and resistance to fatigue, etc. Differences in achievement. Differences exist in achievement and in knowledge even among individuals
who have almost the same amount of intelligence and have been subjected to equal amount of schooling and experience. Emotional difference. In some individuals, positive emotions like love, affection, and amusement and the like are prominent, whereas in some, negative emotions are more powerful. Individuals also differ in the manner they express their emotions. Some are emotionally stable and mature, while others are emotionally unstable and immature. In this way, there exist wide emotional differences among individuals. Differences in interest and aptitudes. Variation occur among the individuals in relation to the specific taste and interest. Some take interest in meeting people, attending social function, and are very fond of picnics and group excursions. Others feel happy in solitude, avoid social gatherings, and are interested in meditation or enjoy company or books. In a similar way, people are found to have different aptitudes. Some have mechanical aptitude, while the others have scholastic, musical, or artistic aptitudes. Differences in attitudes, beliefs, and opinions. Individuals are found to possess varying attitudes towards different people, groups, objects, and ideas. Their attitudes may be positive, negative, or of somewhat indifferent nature. Similarly, they differ in respect of beliefs, opinions, and ideas. Some believe in one thing, others in another. Some are conservative and rigid, while the others are progressive, liberal, and dynamic. Learning differences. Individual differences are found in the field of learning also. Some learn more easily and are able to make use of their learning more comfortably than others. For some, one method of learning or memorization is more suitable, while for others, a different method suits. In the same way, suitability of learning environment also depends upon the individual nature of the learner. Thus, there are wide individual differences in relation to learning. Differences in social and moral development. Individuals differ in respect of their social and moral development. Some are found to be adjusted properly in the social situation and lead a happy social life, while others are socially handicapped, unsocial, or antisocial. Similarly, people are found to differ in respect of ethical and moral sense. Determinants of individual differences. Heredity. Douglas and Holland, 1947, defined heredity in the following words. One's heredity consists of all the structures, physical characteristics, functions, or capacities derived from parents, other ancestry, or species. Environment. Borning, Langfield, and Weld, 1961, defined environment as the environment is everything that affects the individual except his genes. Woodworth and Marquis, 1948, defined environment covers all the outside factors that have acted on the individual since he began life. Role of heredity as determinants of individual differences. Heredity determines the sex of the child. Heredity contributes significantly towards physical constitution. Heredity contributes
towards the birth of twins and the related individual differences. Role of environment as determinants of individual differences. What goes on inside the womb after conception are internal environmental influences. Whatever the mother eats or drinks have an impact on the growth and development of the child. The environment available to her during pregnancy is quite important for the baby. What happens with the mother and the child from the time of conception till birth is responsible for generating significant individual differences. At the time of delivery also, the environment available to the mother and the child affects the well-being, growth, and development of the child. After birth, all things related to the external environment, such as physical, sociological, cultural, and psychological, influence and affect each and every aspect of the growth and development.
Significance of individual difference. Individual differences play a crucial role in education as they recognize and accommodate the unique strengths, weaknesses, learning styles, and needs of each student. Understanding and addressing these differences is essential for creating an inclusive and effective learning environment. Here are some key reasons why individual differences are important in education. Personalized learning. Every student possesses distinct abilities, interests, and preferences. Recognizing these individual differences allows educators to tailor their teaching methods, instructional materials, and assessments to meet the specific needs of each student. Personalized learning enhances engagement, motivation, and overall academic success by catering to students' individual strengths and areas for growth. Inclusive education. Acknowledging and valuing individual differences promotes inclusivity in the classroom. Students with diverse backgrounds, learning styles, cognitive abilities, and cultural perspectives can feel welcomed and respected when their unique characteristics are considered. An inclusive environment fosters a sense of belonging, encourages mutual respect, and creates opportunities for collaboration and understanding among students. Maximizing potential. Individual differences encompass a wide range of abilities and talents. By recognizing and nurturing each student's unique strengths, educators can help them reach their full potential. Some students may excel in academic subjects, while others may demonstrate proficiency in creative arts, sports, or technical skills. By providing opportunities and support in various areas, education can help students explore their passion and develop their talents. Addressing learning challenges. Individual differences also include learning challenges such as learning disabilities, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or autism spectrum disorder. Understanding these differences is crucial for identifying and addressing specific learning needs. By implementing appropriate strategies, accommodations, and interventions, educators can help students with learning challenges overcome obstacles and achieve academic success. Cultivating critical thinking. Individual differences contribute to diverse perspectives and ideas within the classroom. Encouraging students to share their unique viewpoints foster critical thinking skills, problem solving abilities, and creativity. Embracing individual differences helps students appreciate different cultures, opinions, and experiences, leading to a more well rounded and globally aware education. Social and emotional development. Individual differences extend beyond academic abilities and encompass social and emotional characteristics as well. Students differ in terms of their social skills, emotional regulation, and personality traits. Understanding these differences allows educators to provide appropriate support and guidance, promoting healthy social interaction, emotional well being, and self esteem among students. In conclusion, individual differences are of paramount importance in education. By recognizing and accommodating the unique characteristics, needs, and strengths of each student, education can become more personalized, inclusive, and effective. Embracing individual differences supports the holistic development of students, cultivates a positive learning environment, and prepares them for a diverse and interconnected world. Now, let us try to answer these questions. Number 1. Differences in speed of action, steadiness, and rate of muscular movements are A. Physical differences, B. Mental differences, C. Differences in motor abilities, D. Differences in achievements. And the correct answer is C. Differences in motor abilities. Question number 2. Which of the following enhances engagement, motivation, and overall academic success by catering to students' individual strengths and areas of growth? A. Special education, B. Inclusive education, C. Personalized learning, and D. None of the above. And the answer is C. Personalized learning. Question number 3. Understanding social and emotional development of children is important for educators because A. To provide support, B. To promote healthy social interaction, C. To promote emotional well being, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 4. Individual difference is important for A. Minimizing potential, B. Cultivating critical thinking, C. Avoiding learning challenges, or D. None of the above. And the correct answer is B. Cultivating critical thinking. Some may be positive, negative, or indifferent towards people, objects, and ideas. Falls under which type of differences? A. Emotional, B. Interest, C. Aptitude, or D. Attitude. And the correct answer is D. Attitude. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with others. Also, hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.